Hello friends, welcome to the CISM classes. In this video friends, we'll discuss about some other approaches. Friends, this video aims to uncover the different approaches and strategies that enterprises can adopt to secure their information system effectively. Friends, we will delve into ISO standards, Six Sigma, publications from NIST and other methodologies to understand their impact on achieving strategic security objectives. With this much of introduction, let's start with the today's video, that is part 12 of chapter 1. First friends, we'll explore various approaches to enhance information security strategies. Let's start with today's video. Friends, we'll see about the overview of the approaches, that is from ISO to Six Sigma. First, ISO. Friends, the ISO 9001 is to 2015 standard is a globally recognized framework for quality management system, right? Focusing on enhancing organizational performance and customer satisfaction. Friends, while it does not specifically address information security, it provides a solid foundation for establishing robust processes and procedures within an organization. And by implementing ISO 9001 principles such as process improvement, risk management, and continual improvement, organizations can indirectly enhance their information security posture. For example, through the adoption of systematic risk assessment and management practices, organizations can identify and mitigate risks to their information assets effectively. Additionally, ISO 9001 emphasizes the importance of ensuring the integrity and reliability of processes, which align with key objectives of information security such as confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Friends, while ISO 9001 alone may not provide comprehensive guidance for information security, it can complement other standards and frameworks such as ISO/IC 27001 for information security management system in creating a holistic approach to organizational excellence. Next, about the Six Sigma. Friends, Six Sigma is a disciplined, data-driven approach aimed at eliminating defects and errors in processes within an organization, ultimately enhancing quality and efficiency. Friends, originally developed by Motorola in 1980s and popularized by companies like General Electric, right? Friends, Six Sigma focuses on reducing variability and improving process performance by systematically identifying and eliminating cause of defects. The methodology follows a structured problem-solving framework, typically consisting of 5 phases, that is define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. And through this process, friends, organizations identify key metrics, measure process performance, analyze root cause of defects, implement improvement, and establish control to sustain improvements over time. Friends, by applying statistical tools and techniques such as process mapping, Pareto analysis, and regression analysis, Six Sigma enable organizations to make data-driven decisions and achieve measurable results. Overall, friends, Six Sigma provides a systematic approach for organizations to optimize processes, reduce waste, and enhance overall quality and efficiency, contributing to improved performance and customer satisfaction. Next, next we'll discuss about some additional resources, that is publication and acts. First is about the NIST, that is National Institute of Standards and Technology. Friends, the NIST offer a wealth of publications and resources that serve as federally recognized standards for information security. And these publications provide comprehensive guidance, best practices, and framework that organizations can leverage to enhance their cybersecurity posture. Some key publications from NIST include the NIST Special Publications series, which cover various topics such as risk management, cybersecurity framework, and security and privacy control for federal information system and organizations. Additionally, friends, NIST offer resources like the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, which provide a flexible and a risk-based approach to managing cybersecurity risks. And by referring to NIST publications, organizations can gain valuable insight into industry standards, methodologies, and recommended practices for addressing cybersecurity challenges effectively. And these resources are invaluable for organizations seeking to establish robust information security program and align with recognized standards and best practices. Moving next about the ISF, that is Information Security Forum. Friends, it provides valuable insight and best practices in information security management, making it a valuable resource for organizations seeking to enhance their cyber security posture. Friends, the Information Security Forum offers a wide range of resources, including research report, framework, tools, and events designed to help organizations address cybersecurity challenges effectively. Information Security Forum publications cover various topics such as risk management, threat intelligence, incident response, and emerging technologies, providing practical guidance and recommendations based on industry expertise and collaboration among its members. Friends, by leveraging Information Security Forum resources, organizations can gain valuable insight into current cybersecurity trends, emerging threats, and effective strategies for mitigating risks. Additionally, friends, the Information Security Forum offers opportunities for networking and knowledge sharing among cybersecurity professionals, enabling organizations to stay informed and adapt to evolving cybersecurity threats and challenges. Next, about FISMA, that is Federal Information Security Modernization Act. Friends, the Federal Information Security Modernization Act emphasizes the critical importance of securing federal information system and protecting sensitive data from cybersecurity threats. The Federal Information Security Modernization Act establishes a comprehensive key framework for federal agencies to manage information security risks effectively and ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of government information and systems. Key components of this act include risk management, continuous monitoring, incident response, and compliance reporting requirements. Friends, by complying with this regulation, federal agencies can strengthen their cybersecurity posture, mitigate risks, and demonstrate accountability in safeguarding sensitive information. Federal Information Security Modernization Act also plays a crucial role in promoting collaboration and information sharing among federal agencies, fostering a unified approach to cyber security across the government. Friends, additionally, this Act, Modernization Act requirement often align with other cybersecurity standards and frameworks, such as those developed by the NIST, that is National Institute of Standards and Technology, providing federal agencies with a common foundation for addressing overall cybersecurity challenges effectively. Next, about the management. Friends, in addition to specific framework and regulations focusing on cybersecurity, various managements methodologies extensively cover management processes, which indirectly contribute to improving security objectives. And these methodologies provide organizations with structured approach to enhancing overall management practices, which can ultimately impact the organization's security posture. For example, project management methodologies like Agile and Lean Six Sigma emphasizes continuous improvement, collaboration, and adaptability, which can lead to more resilient and secure processes and systems. Similarly, friends, quality management methodologies such as total quality management and the Malcolm Bell Ridge criteria for performance excellence focuses on organizational excellence, customer satisfaction, and process optimization, all of us which can indirectly influence security outcomes. Additionally, friends, IT service management framework like ITIL, that is Information Technology Infrastructure Library, provide guidance on aligning IT services with business needs, improving operational efficiency and ensuring service reliability, which are essential components of a robust cyber security program. Friends, by leveraging these management methodologies and framework, organizations can enhance their overall management practices, which in turn can contribute to strengthening their security objectives and mitigating cybersecurity risks effectively. Moving next friends will discuss about the implementing standards. First is about the ISO oblique IEC 27001. Friends, implementing components from ISO oblique IC 27001 is to 2013 and ISO oblique IC 27002 is to 2013 can provide a comprehensive framework for meeting security requirement when tailored correctly to an enterprise's specific needs. Friends, ISO oblique IEC 27001 is an international standard that outlines the requirement for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information security management system. It provides a systematic approach to managing sensitive information and ensuring its confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Friends, ISO oblique IEC 27002 complement ISO oblique IEC 27001 by providing guidelines and best practices for implementing specific security controls and measures to address various security risks. And by incorporating elements from both standards, organizations can develop an ISMS tailored to their unique businesses, context, risk profile, and regulatory requirements. Friends, this approach enables organizations to identify and prioritize security risks, implement appropriate control, and establish processes for monitoring and improving information security continuously. Ultimately, friends, implementing ISO oblique IEC 27001 and 27002 components can help organizations enhance their security posture, demonstrate compliance with international standards, and instill confidence among stakeholders in their ability to protect sensitive information effectively. Next, about the tailoring. Friends, when implementing standards such as ISO oblique IEC 27001 is to 2013 and ISO oblique IEC 27002 is to 2013, it is crucial for enterprises to tailor these standards to fit their specific needs. Tailoring involves customizing the requirement and controls outlined in the standard to align with organization's unique business context, risk profile, and objectives. And by tailoring the standards, an enterprise can avoid unnecessary expenditure associated with implementing overly broad or irrelevant requirements that may not directly contribute to addressing their security challenges. Instead, friends, organizations can focus their resources on implementing controls and measures that are most relevant and effective in mitigating their specific security risks. Tailoring also enables organizations to streamline the implementation process, making it more efficient and practical for their operations. However, friends, while tailoring standards is essential, organizations must ensure that they maintain compliance with the core principles and objectives of the standards to achieve their intended security outcomes. And this approach allows enterprises to maximize the benefit of implementing standards while minimizing costs and resource requirement. Friends, when implementing standards for information security, it is essential to recognize that future methodologies may emerge. Friends, offering potentially more effective solutions for achieving security objectives. And as our technology evolves and cyber threat continue to advance, the landscape of information security is constantly evolving. New standards, framework, and methodologies may emerge to address emerging threats, leverage innovative technologies, and adapt to changing business needs. Therefore, friends, organizations should remain agile and open to adopting new approaches that offer improved security capabilities and better alignment with their business objectives. Additionally, friends, staying informed about industry trends, participating in professional networks, and engaging with experts can help organizations anticipate future development in information security and prepare for their adoption. Friends, by remaining proactive and adaptable, organizations can ensure that their information security practices remain robust and effective in the face of evolving threat and challenges. And this forward thinking approach enables organizations to stay ahead of the curve and continuously improve their security posture to protect against emerging risks. Moving next. Next, friends, we'll discuss about employing a combination of methods. Friends, employing a combination of methods including COBIT control objectives, CMMI, the balanced scorecard, and appropriate architectural models can offer a comprehensive approach to defining security objectives. And each of these methodologies brings unique perspective and strength to the table. Friends, Control Objective for Information and Related Technologies, COBIT, provides a framework for governance and management of enterprise IT, offering a structured approach to aligning IT with businesses' objectives and managing risk effectively. Similarly, CMMI, that is Capability Maturity Model Integration, focuses on process improvement and maturity, helping organizations enhance their capabilities and achieve higher level of performance in various domains, including security. Third, about the balanced scorecard. Friends, the balanced scorecard offers a strategic management framework for measuring organizational performance across multiple perspectives, such as financial, customer, internal process, and learning and growth. And finally, appropriate architectural model such as the Jackman framework or the Open Group Architectural Framework provide a structured approach to designing and implementing IT architecture that support security objectives effectively. Friends, by combining these methodologies, organizations can leverage their respective strength to develop a comprehensive and tailored approach to defining security objectives. And this multifaceted approach ensures that no significant aspect is overlooked, potentially covering all relevant elements to ensure an effective security strategy. Additionally, it promotes a holistic view of security that considers not only technical aspect but also governance, processes, people, and organizational culture. Ultimately, friends, employing a combination of methods allow organizations to develop robust security objectives that are aligned with business goals, adaptable to changing environment, and capable of addressing emerging threats effectively. Moving next. Next is about the cross-checking objectives, that is a methodical approach to security. First, we'll discuss about the COBIT. Friends, cross-checking objectives against COBIT control objectives can provide a solid foundation for IT governance and ensure alignment with strategic goals. Friends, COBIT or Control Objective for Information and Related Technologies is a widely recognized framework developed by ISACA, that is Information System Audit and Control Association, for IT governance and management. COBIT defines a set of control objectives and best practices organized around five key principles, that is meeting stakeholder needs, covering the enterprise end to end, third applying a single integrated framework, and fourth enabling a holistic approach, and lastly about separating governance from management. Friends, by referencing COVID control objectives, organizations can ensure that their security objectives are in line with industry accepted best practices and standards for IT governance. COVID provides a structured framework for identifying, implementing, and monitoring controls to address risks and achieve businesses' objectives effectively. Additionally, friends, COVID emphasizes the importance of aligning IT with strategic goals, ensuring that security initiatives support and contribute to the overall objectives of the organization. Friends, cross-checking objectives against COVID control objectives allow organization to validate the completeness and relevance of their security objectives, ensuring that they cover all essential aspects of IT governance and risk management. It also helps organizations to identify any gaps or areas for improvement in their security strategy and prioritize initiatives based on their alignment with COVID principles and objectives. Overall, friends, leveraging COVID control objectives can enhance the effectiveness and maturity of an organization's IT governance and security practices. driving better alignment and strategic goals and improved risk management capabilities. Next, about the CMMI, that is Capability Maturity Model Integration. Friends, cross-checking objectives against capability maturity model integration can significantly contribute to enhancing software development processes. Friends, capability maturity model integration is a proven framework developed by a software engineering institute that focuses on process improvement and maturity across various domains, including software development, acquisition, and service delivery. And by referencing the capability maturity model integration, organizations can ensure that their objectives for software development align with industry best practices and standards, ultimately leading to improved quality, efficiency, and consistency in software delivery. Friends, it provides a structured approach for organizations to assess and improve their software development processes based on maturity level and capability levels. It offers a set of best practices and guidelines organized into process areas such as requirements management, process planning, and configuration management. And by cross-checking objectives against CMMI, that is Capability Maturity Model Integration, organizations can identify areas for improvement in their software development processes, establishing measurable goals for enhancement and implement strategies to achieve higher maturity level. Furthermore, friends, CMMI, that is Capability Maturity Model Integration, emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement and organizational learning, fostering a culture of excellence and innovation within software development teams. And by integrating CMMI principles into their objectives, organizations can promote a systematic approach to process improvement and ensure that software development practices evolve in aligning with changing business needs and industry trends. Next, about the balance scorecard. Friends, cross-checking objectives against the balanced scorecard framework can provide a comprehensive approach to strategic management, ensuring a balance between financial and non-financial objectives. The Balance Scorecard, friends, it is developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton, is a strategic planning and a management system that help organizations translate their vision and strategy into actionable objectives and measure across four key perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. Friends, by referencing the balanced scorecard framework, organizations can ensure that their objectives are aligned with their overall strategic goals and vision. And the final perspective focuses on objectives related to the financial performance, such as revenue growth, profitability, and cost reduction. Friends, the customer perspective considers objectives related to the customer satisfaction, retention, and loyalty, ensuring that the organizations deliver value to their customers. Friends, the internal processes perspective identify the objectives related to the organization's core processes and operations, aiming to improve efficiency, quality, and innovation. Finally, friends, the learning and the growth perspective focuses on objectives related to the employee development, organizational capabilities, and innovations, ensuring that the organizations has the skill, resources, and capabilities to execute its strategy successfully. Friends, cross-checking objective against the balanced scorecard framework help organizations ensure that they have a balanced set of objectives across all four perspectives, addressing both short term and long term goals and considering the needs of different stakeholders. Friends, this approach enables organizations to develop a holistic view of their strategic priorities and allocate resources effectively to achieve their desired outcomes. Ultimately, friends, leveraging the balanced scorecard framework can help organizations drive performance improvement, monitor progress against the strategic objectives, and enhance overall organizational effectiveness. Next, we'll discuss about the architecture. Friends, cross-checking objectives against architectural model is crucial for ensuring that the IT infrastructure aligns effectively with the business goals. And choosing the right architectural model involves selecting a framework or methodology that best fit the organization's need, considering factors such as scalability, flexibility, security, and alignment with the business objectives. Architectural model provide a structured approach to designing and implementing IT system and infrastructure, ensuring that they support the organization's overall goal and objectives. And by cross-checking objectives, friends, against the architectural model, organizations can ensure that their IT infrastructure is designed and implemented in a way that enable them to achieve their strategic goals efficiently and effectively. For example, friends, organizations may choose to align their IT architecture with the business's capabilities using framework like Zachman framework or the Open Group Architecture framework. And these frameworks provide a structured approach to enterprise architecture, allowing organizations to map out their business processes, information flows, applications, and technology infrastructure in a coherent and integrated manner. Additionally, friends, organizations may consider security and compliance requirement when selecting architecture model, ensuring that their IT infrastructure meets industry standards and regulatory requirement. For example, friends, organizations may adopt architecture model that incorporate security best practices such as Sherwood Applied Business Security Architecture framework or the NIST cybersecurity framework to ensure that security considerations are integrated into the design and implementation of IT system. Moving next. Next, friends, we'll discuss about the importance of an effective strategy. Friends, developing an effective security program is indispensable and it heavily relies on solid foundation strategy. Friends, without a well-defined strategy in place, organizations may struggle to adequately protect their asset and data from evolving cyber threats. And by employing a prudent approach that incorporates a combination of methodologies, enterprises can ensure a holistic view is considered when designing their security program. A strategic approach to cybersecurity involves more than just implementing individual security measures. It requires a comprehensive understanding of the organization's goal, risk tolerance, and regulatory requirement. And by leveraging a combination of methodologies such as industry standards, that is ISO/IC 27001, best practices framework, example NIST cybersecurity framework, and tailored approaches, organizations can systematically address and manage their security concern. Friends, this holistic view allows organizations to identify and prioritize security risks effectively, allocate resources efficiently, and implement controls that are aligned with the overarching organizational goals. Additionally, it enables organizations to adopt a proactive stance towards cybersecurity rather than simply reacting to threats as they arise. And by developing an effective security strategy, organizations can enhance their resilience to cyber threat, build trust with stakeholders, and safeguard their reputation and brand. Ultimately, friends, an effective security strategy serves as the foundation upon which organizations can build a robust and sustainable cybersecurity program that protect against a wide range of threats and support the achievement of business objectives. Moving next we'll discuss about the future of the security practices. In this, the first point is about evolving. Friends, the future of the security practices is marked by continuous evolution with new methodologies continually emerging to promise more effective approaches to safeguarding information. As technology advances and cyber threats become more sophisticated, the security landscape is constantly evolving. Friends, organizations are increasingly facing a wide range of cyber threats, including ransomware, phishing attack, and data breaches, highlighting the need for innovative and adaptive security practices. New security methodologies leverage emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation to enhance threat detection, response, and mitigation capabilities. And these technologies enable organizations to analyze vast amount of data in real time, identifying anomalies and suspicious activities, and respond to security incidents more effectively. Additionally, friends, advancement in encryption technique, identify and access management, and cloud security are shaping the future of the security practices, enabling organizations to protect their data and systems from evolving threats. Moreover, friends, the shift toward cloud computing, remote work, and digital information initiatives is driving the adoption of new security paradigm such as zero trust architecture and secure access service edge. And these approaches focus on protecting data and users regardless of their location or the underlying network infrastructure, providing organizations with greater flexibility and agility while maintaining strong security posture. Furthermore, friends, regulatory requirement and compliance standards are evolving to address emerging threats and challenges in the cybersecurity. Organizations are increasingly required to demonstrate compliance with stringent regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, and revised payment card industry data security standards, driving the adoption of robust security practices and framework. Next, about the adoption. Friends, the future of security practices revolves around adoption, emphasizing the need for enterprises to stay agile and continuously evolve their strategies to incorporate new insight and technologies. As the cybersecurity landscape evolves rapidly, driven by technological advancement and increasingly sophisticated cyber threats, organizations must remain vigilant and adaptable to effectively safeguard their digital assets. Friends, adaptation entails a proactive approach to understanding emerging threats and vulnerabilities and adjusting security strategies accordingly. This involves leveraging real time threat intelligence, monitoring industry trends, and learning from the past incidents to inform decisions making and prioritize security efforts. And by staying abreast of the latest development in cybersecurity, organizations can anticipate potential risks and proactively implement measures to mitigate them. Furthermore, friends, adaptation requires embracing new technologies and methodologies that enhance security capabilities. And this include leveraging advancement in the areas such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation to augment threat detection, response, and remediation processes. Friends, by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithm, organizations can analyze vast amount of data, identify patterns and detect anomalies indicative of the potential security breaches more efficiently than traditional methods. Additionally, friends, adaptation involves fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness and resilience throughout the organization. This includes providing regular training and education to employees, promoting good security practices, and empowering individuals at all levels to actively participate in safeguarding against cyber threats. Friends, a resilient organizational culture ensures that security practices remain effective even in the face of evolving threats and challenges. Friends, here we come to the end of part 12, chapter 1. Please do like, subscribe, and share among your friends. Stay tuned and for the next topic. Thank you.